Hi, welcome to the Painting Show, Series 8. This is a teaching video to kind of teach you about how what brushes to use and on about seascape painting. So I'm going to answer some questions for you. Here's a good question. Question number 1. What brush do you use to do waves with? Um, I use a fan brush. This is a fan brush, and I use a fan brush for doing the waves. All you need is to get some titanium white onto your brush, and then you can make the waves. Usually I make waves using net and silk, the fan brush. This is your horizon line. Okay, now I have years of experience in painting. Years of experience. I know a lot about the paints. I know a lot about brushes. So yeah, question is how you make the waves. So this is your horizon, and here are the waves. So like that. That would have been a very good question. That's question number 1. Question number 2. Can you make crashing waves, and what brush would you use? And make a crashing wave for a seascape, I would use a fan brush. That's just me. But you can use whatever brush you want. But for me, I'll use a fan brush. Okay? To do a crashing wave, all you need to do is you need to bring a wave down like this. And then you can bend, allowing those bristles to bend. See? Like that. But you want to allow those bristles to bend, and then push up. See how those bristles bend? You want to bend those bristles and then push up like that, and then wash your brush out. Number 3, how you make clouds and what brush do you use? There again too, I like to use a fan brush. You can probably use a 2" or 1", but for this demonstration I'll use a fan brush. Okay, this is size 3. What you do is get yourself some paint. Now these are clouds. So what you do is take your brush and start spinning like this to spin them like that. And then again, and then lift up, and then go lightly across like that. It's very easy to do. Very, very easy. Question number 4. How you do rocks and what brush do you use? To do the rocks, I use a filbert brush. This is a size 10. Let's say some rocks like that. Get yourself some burnt sienna, and then just shape a rock like that. And then you can paint the rocks like this, see? Question number 4. What brush do you use to make grass with? Well, good question. What brush do you use to make the grass with? You can use a brush like this. If it's grass like that, you can take some linseed oil, some sap green, and start making your grass like this. See? Kind of like that. Also, this brush is real good for signing. When you get through with your painting, you can sign. Let's see, questions on how to make palm trees. That's number 5. Good question. The question is about how to make a palm tree. Okay, this is the palm tree. Now listen, I'm gonna use this brush. Okay, and what you do is you can get some Van Dyke brown or ivory black if you have it, and make do your tree like this. And then what color do you use to make the leaves with? You can use sap green and ivy black. You can mix those, okay? For instance, you can bring that down like this. You can make it look like the wind's blowing. You know, you can curve, you can curve it like this. And then if you want to highlight it, you can get some cad yellow like that, you know. Whatever color you have, cad yellow or yellow ochre will work real good with that. Okay. Hope that answers some questions for y'all. Okay. Subscribe and like.